Has Buju Banton lost his mind? We are going to find out in this video.
So if the Prime Minister and everybody so much go yam shit, we're supposed to go up there and line up and eat it. Hold on, people. Hold on. Put on your thinking caps. No! Politicians work for the country. I'm not thief too. Because enough money I get along with Jamaican people. Nothing. You think the 10,000 can feed Jamaican people? So what more you can do to it? No, now lock down and try to make it extinct. It's crazy.
Yeah. Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes!
Chaddy Marie TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Marie. Butotom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People are gone. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Now, at first, I was going to do one of those reports like I normally do, you know, share some different story. But then I decided to talk about this one story. I'm going to share my opinion and we are going to have a little reasoning. But first, I want to do something for me. I want to share this video. If everybody share this video to at least 2 persons, I would really appreciate it. Alright, so share, like, and make sure you leave your comment in the comment section as well. So people, Buju Banton went on a rampage today. And while some might say Buju Banton attack foolish, there's a lot of sense to what Buju Banton say. And we are going to reason it out. But first, let's see what Buju Banton have to say to the Prime Minister and your Holiness.
Good morning, Jamaica. And good morning to the world. All the while I'm telling you, say, today for me, tomorrow for you, on the laugh. For everyone, let me see, I post out there and I go and like say, when I ridicule and for the Jamaican when they talk out phone and I talk out for y'all who they can't talk for themselves because I know fun lock up behind closed door and because I'm so rich and some have so much nice friends. When I know how to feed inside, but I can't say it because I don't want to offend anybody. We don't have to offend anybody, we can't tell it to you like it is. Bridges after disaster. Risk Management Act, 10,000 or 30 days in prison. The government of Jamaica only going to 10,000 one time. And himself on a breach of Disaster Management Act, he's going to fine for $10,000 or 30 days in prison. That is oppression and tyranny. Resisting arrest, 2,000 or 10 days in prison. Oppression and tyranny. I don't think the law enforcement of Jamaica, Jamaican people friend. On our citizen, on our own brother, on our own uncle, on our own father, and take this job to protect and serve Jamaica, but not protect and serve politicians and political interests. Right? When since we cannot speak out against the way we feel without risk of you pressuring we. Now, the Jamaican Constitution does not allow the government of Jamaica to use the office of the Prime Minister or any other office to oppress and pressure any citizen. Any citizen at all. You Jamaicans better wake up before them come kick off on the door 1-1 and do like what you see them do all over the place. Let me continue. So what can I hear that? Indecent language. 1,000 or 10 days in prison. And them come again and say additional fine of 10,000 or 10 days in prison. For a sergeant police officer. But me notice a trend. Me notice everybody will come out in a Jamaica and vent the way them feel. Either the Jamaican populace come down upon them like we're supposed to be sheep. We're supposed to, so if the Prime Minister and everybody so much go yam shit, we're supposed to go up there and line up and eat it. Hold on, people. Hold on. Put on your thinking caps. And all the way are fooling. Not because you go you when you go to some place make you smarter than we know. No guy can't tell you how to live and not come with no bag of bullshit like you say all the way are fool. Remember, are we voting in? We're supposed to run the country for we. Don't go like you don't want to switch it on we. Can't you been switch it on Jamaican people, you know. And have the people them thinking that they work for politicians. No! Politicians work for the country as fiduciaries of this great corporation to ensure that they do the job of the office that they are elected to do. Do not use the office of the Prime Minister or the office of whichever politician it is to pressure the citizens. You are creating tyranny. You are tyrannical. I'm not thief too. Because enough money I get along with Jamaican people now. You think the 10,000 can feed Jamaican people and lock up the whole island. Everybody lock down on the house and nobody don't want to talk because they don't want a friend. Me don't want no friend and me don't want no friend. I want to free the people. And make the people them live and stop this tyranny we want to deal with. On pushing Jamaica people to the brink. And nobody don't want to tell them because they're afraid of why? Because of the death squad them around there. We not afraid for death, they've been killing us. On a murder way, on a torture way, on a robbery. So what more we can do to it? No, not lock down and try to make it extinct. It's crazy. Free the people and man, use some common sense and stop being so damn reactive. Everybody just reactive. Why? I want to take a boy shot and none of them not take a shot. I want to try fool boy here. Here we go on. We want to say, uno take what uno try give my people them for take. Because when the people of Jamaica start dead, you can't tell me nothing, you know. If you can't tell me nothing when Jamaican people start dead, think about that.
So people, who don't know how Buju Banton feel about this corona thing and how Buju Banton feel about the mask thing and everything. While some might say Buju Banton a chat foolish and Buju Banton for go sit down, I want to look in at the message what Buju Banton is saying. No, I am not going to say Buju Banton is 100% right. But what we can say, Buju Banton is not wrong. And we need to use the brain and understand certain things. And people, I am not trying to influence anybody if you do mass, if you don't do mass, if you take vaccine, if you don't do vaccine. But at the end of the day, Jamaica get over 40,000 vaccine and the Prime Minister not take none. Why is that? No, more somebody tell me in the comment section. Why is that? So when you see a man like Buju Banton run out and ablaze the system and you see me? Attack a bag of things. Do not bash Buju Banton. Try to look in a way Buju Banton say. Now, me feel like a lot of this what Buju Banton say and why Buju Banton forward out on the media, it a come off of the Elsha Umbre, the Elsha story. And the El Shabba story, which you're not supposed to know about that. We do a whole heap of video upon it. So the man of Elsha did get locked up. And at the end of the day, him only got pay $26,000 or 80 days in prison. Now according to the police, one of the main reasons why it did end up in our altercation is because them tell himself to put on a mask and him refuse to put on a mask. So basically, it's because of the mask thing make him get locked up. Now for the whole brawl we go on social media and police investigation and this and that and that and that. When we have much in murder, when not solve, I go lock up a man for not wearing a mask. And because him kind of behaving a boisterous behavior and people are go forward down and said, Chaddy Murray, the man did a go on away, him did a go on X, Y, and Z and him did a go on bad. But at the end of the day, really the mask thing make him start behave so. People it dead in the media. Me not tell a lie. And look at a different angle right now. Zine, and we are going to show you how Andrew Holness and the government, I mean, if you want to say Andrew Holness, because I don't want to turn this in a PMP, JLP, something. We just have to say the government. Because none of them no better. Me I tell you. So right now, they make provision for them friend. Oh, they make provision for them friend. Alright. You know one of the main reasons why him refuse to lock down the country? Because of tourism. No. Somebody I go say in the comment section say, but Chaddy, tourism, it a benefit the lower people, it a benefit extra. No. Because when the tourists them forward in the country, them have to stay at the resort. Where them have to stay? The resort. No broke smarty can own a resort. So when them big Sanders owner them and all of the big owner them will own hotel come together and say, yo, look, listen, this have to go on. We can't lock down the country because my business a mash up. Them go so booms and just free it up. But what? The little umbre them where keep one little party around and one corner around and one part. Them a lock down the party there. Them pass and see 120 somebody there one bar. Them a lock down that and say social distance and all sort of foolishness. And people, don't get me wrong. Me don't want to get me wrong. I am with the social distancing. I am with a lot of measures where the government are trying to implement, but at the end of the day, you cannot implement measures which just a benefit one set of person. What about the poor? What about the poor? At the other day, me see no go down a town, go deal with the man them style, wicked, mash it down. In a COVID time, in a time when no work no day, in a time where people have to try hard for hustle, have to try hard for stay up on the legal side. You see me? And don't go do no wrongs. Which some of you them can't hold it. And that's why you see the crime rate gone up so. The crime rate right now I climb higher than the US dollar. take that out of it, that different. And me soon do a next thing again. Me see, you know. Me see. And me talk about it on my Instagram page. Me just probably never talk about it on YouTube, Facebook, or none of them platform there. The hombre, we want to stop. The big contractor, brother. I don't know if he's a plumber, he's a mason man, carpenter. I don't know him a what. But all of me know, he's a contractor. Him and him 3 little worker, them a go work. And the police stop the vehicle and looking at the back of the vehicle and say, yo, watch you know, have some tool them here. And transport authority was on the scene. And transport authority claim say, because the man have 2 little tool in the back of him trunk, him need a carriage license for that. People when don't know what me talk about, that mean a green plate. Him need green plate for that. That is a special license where you have to get. We have to go pay some bag of money. And it's hard and difficult to get. And at the end of the day, more tax that you have spent, you have put on the youth. And then on the take away the youth vehicle. What do you want poor people to do? So hear me I say. Wanna please look into a Buju Banton I say. And don't quick for judge. I not tell you which, if you believe him, if you agree with him or what. But all me I tell you say, don't quick for judge. Just listen. And you just don't be a sheep. Anyway, it's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section. And let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? A one way. And any other way, a the wrong way. I'm gone.